How to change the search engine from Bing to Google Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Bing and Google are two of the most important or popular search engines available today, each of which has own set of features, strengths and weaknesses. Here, today on this video, we will teach you how to change the search engine from Bing to Google on your Google Chrome. As you can see, currently it is using Microsoft Bing. Now click on the three dots on the top right corner and go to settings. Once the setting page is open, go to the option of search engine which is on the side panel. Now from search engine used in the address bar section, make sure to click on the drop down menu and choose Google. Likewise, all the pages will now be refreshed into the Google Chrome. Now let us open the previous tab and see if the Bing has been removed or not. And there you go. In this way, you have successfully changed the search engine from Bing into the Google. However, Bing and Google have their own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them often comes down to the personal preferences, specific search needs, and integration with other services. While Google is a dominant player in the search engine market, Bing continues to innovate and gain traction, particularly among users of Microsoft products and services. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.